Hello, I'm going to show you how to make the Peking chicken. I use 1 pound of chicken and you cut it big pieces like this, like that. And this I'm using the chicken tenderloin. Then I use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, using 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and I use a half teaspoon of called the 5 spice powder in it. Then you mix everything well. Leave it overnight or at least 4 hours. So I got one over here already did it overnight. They turn on like this. So I'm gonna put some oil and pan fry it. You have to wait until the oil hot. It's not quite hot yet. Okay, the oil already hot enough. So I'm gonna put some chicken in it. I don't want to put all the chicken oil at one time. That will cool down the oil. So I don't want to do that way. That's why I put it one by one in it. Okay, that's it. I want to pan fry until they both turn golden brown. That piece all done, you can tell. You can leave it right here. The piece another side, I mean that side look okay, but other side not quite that brown yet. So I want to deep fry more a little bit, make it crispy. Okay, this is all done. Let me turn off the heat. I'm going to let it drain the oil a little bit. Put it in here. Okay, this is all done. This is how I make it today, the Peking chicken.